Welcome to the Mount Prospect Minute, a weekly news report highlighting the past week's news and upcoming events. I'm Howard Kleinstein. The weather has finally begun to get warm, and Mount Prospect is becoming busy with events. The Memorial Day weekend kicks off this Saturday evening with the Mount Prospect Downtown Merchants Association Bluesmobile Cruise Nights at the downtown commuter lot at the intersection of Route 83 and Northwest Highway. Come view the coolest cars around. The Classic Car Show will take place every Saturday night in downtown Mount Prospect. This week's theme is Chevrolet Night with music by Rose Hill Revival. Looking for a new place to eat this weekend? Check out the Village's award-winning restaurant show, Dishin' Out Mount Prospect. You can find all the episodes and all the restaurants featured on the Mount Prospect YouTube channel. On Monday, the Village celebrates Memorial Day with its Memorial Day Parade and Ceremony. Parade participants will line up at Emerson Street and Bussey Avenue between 9 a.m. and 9:15 a.m., with the parade beginning at 9:40 a.m. in front of Village Hall. The parade route ends at the Veterans Memorial Bandshell at Lions Park for a special ceremony. The keynote speaker will be Lieutenant Colonel Matthew J. Yandera, a decorated combat veteran who is currently serving as the chair and professor of military science at Loyola University Chicago. The Village kicks off its summer with Fridays on the Green series of concerts starting on Friday, June 3rd at 6 p.m. Ken Dix and the Friday Night Lawn Jockeys will perform. This family-friendly concert will take place twice a month throughout the end of August. For a list of future acts, go to the Experience Mount Prospect website. Don't forget to opt out of the Village's electric aggregation program to save money on your electric bill. The Village was notified that Commonwealth Edison has filed its proposed purchase electricity charges for the coming year. The rate reflects a significant reduction in pricing due to changes in commodity markets that have included power and energy. Residents and businesses participating in the Village's electric aggregation program are encouraged to move their account back to ComEd to be able to receive this lower rate. The Village's aggregation program has no early termination fee, so any resident or small commercial account wanting to move to the lower ComEd rate may do so with no penalty by calling the Village's current supplier, Homefield Energy. Neither the Village or ComEd can switch your account. Only Homefield Energy can do this. Gear up for the Village's 100th anniversary in 2017 by choosing to paint a fire hydrant near your home or business. The Fire Up Fire Hydrant Public Art Project is coming to the Village of Mount Prospect in 2016, and applications are currently being accepted. Rules and applications are available in the spring newsletter as an insert, and you can find it online at the Centennial website, mountprospect100.com. Don't miss this unique opportunity to make a creative mark on the fire hydrants throughout the Village while helping decorate for Mount Prospect Centennial celebration. This has been your Mount Prospect Minute. Don't forget to click subscribe in order to get notifications of new videos when they are posted. I'm Howard Kleinstein, and I will see you on the next edition.